Do you use the internet? Yes, I use the internet every day. I use it to study, watch videos, and chat with my friends. I usually use my phone or computer at home. The internet helps me learn many new things and have fun. I think it is very useful, but I try not to use it too much.
Do you use the internet?
Yes, I use it every day.
What do you use the internet for?
To study, watch videos, and chat with friends.
What devices do you use?
I use my phone or computer.
Where do you usually use the internet?
I use it at home.
How does the internet help you?
It helps me learn new things and have fun.
What do you think about the internet?
I think it's very useful.
What do you try not to do?
I try not to use it too much.